We're now in Windows Explorer. And on the left side, there's you see a bunch of folders. Folders are a way of organizing material on any storage device in your machine, and you can create them, delete them, etc. here in Windows Explorer. But you can also see what is stored in any of the folders or drives by clicking on these little positive signs. That means to expand out what was in there. And under My Computer, I now have a list of a number of things. One of them is the hard drive, and I can expand that, and I can see all the folders on the hard drive. And then I can also expand one of those, say My Stuff, and I've now expanded out what's in there. And you can notice that there's a tree structure here of information, folders within folders within folders, and that's the way you organize material on your storage device. So I'm going to look at Camtasia. I'm going to expand it. There's only one folder in there. So if I click, so far I've just been clicking on the plus sign to expand on this left-hand side, and this is kind of an outline, if you will, of the information that's on your machine stored in an outline folder fashion. So if I click on the actual folder Camtasia, notice what will happen on the right-hand side over here. So I click on that. And why it has changed is that I'm now opened up the Camtasia folder. I didn't click on the plus sign, I clicked on the folder itself. And I'm now looking at the contents of that folder on the right side. It has the folder that we already knew was there, WE. We knew that from the left-hand side. But it also has a couple of files. We can continue to open up folders if we find them, like WE. We could either click the plus sign here, which in this case would show all the folders that are in this folder, or we can click on the folder itself, we now know, and see them on the right hand side. And we can double click one of these and keep opening them from the right hand side as well. So we have this relationship between the two sides. This is the outline, and then if we want to see the contents of a folder, we can see it on the right hand side. And this pretty much ends the second section on the format of Windows E.